Hi guys, and welcome to Tech Anorak. So yeah, I thought I'd do a reaction video because I've just seen on the internet that DXO Mark have confirmed that the OnePlus Nord 2 has got this score in their test. So it's 116 on DXO Mark, which is a really good score. I don't know if you're familiar with DXO Mark, guys, but they're the the best review site for real cameras and smartphones. So I've got a screen record going here, guys, so we'll see where the OnePlus Nord 2 sits along the ranking. So top of the range, or top of the list, is the Huawei P50 Pro, which yeah, I love Huawei phones. I'm really sorry that they don't have the Play Store anymore, and I had the P20 Pro and that was an excellent phone. Anyway, I digress. But so if we go down the list here, guys, so get to our Mi 10 Pro. That's interesting. 128. So I know a guy that has one of those, Steve, who watches my channel. So there you go, Steve. That's a really high score. But yeah, back to the Nord 2. So where are we, guys? So it's 116. So there we go. So OnePlus Nord 2 5G 116. So that's as good as a P30 Pro, which was a flagship from a couple of years ago. As good as the S21 and S21 Plus, the UK variant, the Exynos chips, looking at it there. As good as the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. As good as a Galaxy S10. It beats the OnePlus 9 by a point. That's really funny because, well, it's not funny. I like OnePlus, but they've kind of made a bit of an issue for themselves, I think, OnePlus, because the Nord 2 is so good and it's only $399, whereas the OnePlus 9 is obviously a proper flagship phone, which is I think $600 to $700, which is still affordable, but it's beaten by a point on the camera, so that's really interesting to me. Beats the Google Pixel 4, guys, just coming up here on 113 points. Let's go back up. I might have missed a few things here. So what are we close to? iPhone 11 that I've just sold. Oh, that makes me feel better. So the iPhone 11, it scores at 119. That'll be the video mainly. Well, the photos as well. Photos are good on the iPhone 11, but the video, I would imagine, would be amazing. We'll go a bit lower. So let's see if we can find the Pixel 4a, guys. So it beats a Huawei P40. There you go. Beats the Mate 20 Pro. Wow, beats the Xperia 1 II. That's good. The Sony Xperia 1 II. That's a $1,000 device. And there you go, Google Pixel 4a, 111. So yeah, I thought it was a good camera, this. So I was very surprised how good it was when I've tested it against my 4a. So there you go, guys. DXO Mark agree with me. So 116 the Nord 2 and 111 my 4a. So as you can see by my big beaming face, I'm really impressed. Oh, and there's my phone. I loved the P20 Pro. So yeah, the P20 Pro was 109. That's good for a few years ago as well. But I think I remember my P20 Pro with maybe rose tinted glasses. I remember it being amazing. But I think the Pixel's probably better. And definitely the Nord 2 now. Oh, there you go. And the original OnePlus Nord 108. So it's gone up 8 points on last year's OnePlus Nord. So yeah, just a quick one today, guys. Like I say, I don't know if you've ever used DXO Mark. Like, as you can see here, if you watch my screen record as we're going, so you've got smartphones, sensors. Don't know what sensors are. Presume that's a sensor on a proper camera, that will be. So you've got like full frame cameras, mirrorless, DSLRs, lenses. Won't go into that, but yeah. So smartphones and sensors are the proper cameras. But yeah, really interesting to me. Also, where did the S21 Ultra, which is a phone I'd love, that's 123 points, so it's not too far off there. Be interested to see what the Pixel 5a, what they score that at. The Pixel 5, just seen that then, where did that go, guys? Probably laughing at me, I'm probably like right near it now. Oh, Pixel 5 is 120 points. I would imagine the Pixel 4a 5G, that should be the same as the 5, but I can't see the 4a 5G. Anyway, I'm really pleased. You know, I'm really impressed with my Nord 2, and this just confirms it even more. So just get it up, guys, here for you. Where have we gone? There we go, Nord 2. Brilliant. So yeah, well done, OnePlus. That's excellent. Just a little point as well, guys, away from the camera. I've never had a OnePlus phone before, but I've just received some really good service from their customer service team, and a lot of the big smartphone manufacturers, they don't have the best service, as a lot of YouTubers have made videos about, but I'll be making one in the next few days. It's about the OnePlus Nord 2's screen protector. I ripped off my one that comes on it, the film from factory, and immediately regretted it because I've tried some tempered glass screen protectors. I've tried 4, guys, from just like random mates from eBay. Sorry, truck going past. I'm just in my garden. So I've tried 4 different ones from eBay and Amazon, and also a guy that has a phone shop close to me, and none of them will fit. They all have like a raised edge, because the phone, it has a very slight 2.5D curve. But I've asked OnePlus if they could send me the film screen protector that comes at factory, and they couldn't do that, but they gave me a voucher so that I can get their tempered glass screen protector for free. The only thing I've had to pay for is the shipping, which was £5. So yeah, you know, like I say, I'm really impressed with OnePlus, and I'm still within my 14 days with this guy, but it will not be going back. I love this phone, and I love the camera now too. So yeah, OnePlus, shout out to yourselves. 116 on DXO Mark. It's a win for me. So hit me up in the comments, guys. Tell me what you think about this one. Just wanted to do a really quick video, but yeah, I'm super impressed, and I hope you have a good rest of your day. Take care. Take Anorak out.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.